Can you describe a time that your company only discovered that you were irreplaceable after they fired you? I didn't work for a company. It was just a guy who sealed driveways. I was 16 when he offered $10 an hour under the table for good work. We had fun. I busted my butt. I mixed sealer like a machine, improving the process every time. We completed 3 or 4 driveways in 5 or 6 hours, and then he took me out for a few beers on him. It went on for 2 years. At the end of the second year, he left his payment book open in the truck while getting something at the convenience store. He charged $300 to $500 per driveway on average. I did the math quickly in my head. Materials $40 to $50, labor $10, amortization on equipment $20, being generous. That led me to, he gets $220 to $440 per hour, and I get $10. It was our last job of the year, and I said nothing. Next year in spring, he called me, and I upped my price to $20 per hour. He freaked out and asked if I was crazy. I said, go and hire anyone you want. You won't make as much money as you do with me, and you won't spend the last 2 hours at the bar drinking beer with somebody you like. He hired someone else. He called 4 weeks later. He said, you were right. I said $25 per hour. The beer tasted great the following Saturday.